Hey there, fellow vegetable nerds. Thanks for hanging out with me once again in my kitchen. I am Kelly, as usual. Today, I just want to do a super fast, like an impromptu video, because I want to try something out, and I thought you might want to hang out with me while I try it.
Hey, turn up the caramello and chisel on the shizney. It's time for me to what? Let me introduce myself. I'm Gino Burrito. My pants are made of leather. I find it hard to concentrate.
So, speaking of trying things out, I just tried a brand new recipe. I've never made it before. It's by the same lady who did the palak paneer recipe and the lady who wrote that book that I was so in love with, the Indian Instant Pot book. Her name is Urvashi Petra. Hopefully I am saying this right. And she has a website called twosleevers.com, and it's just full of all kinds of recipes. I have no idea what two sleevers refers to. I meant to look that up. I did not look that up, but either way, I signed up on her website and she sends me recipes from time to time, and this one came from her website and it was for arroz con pollo, which is basically just like a, you know, a nice flavorful chicken and rice. It is delicious. It's not exactly what I was expecting. I had a very, sometimes you just get a very particular flavor in mind, but it's really nice, but I kind of want to add something to it. You know, as with most things, I kind of want some hot sauce on there, and I was remembering I have hot sauce that I ordered in the mail and I haven't tried yet because I was waiting to try it with you. You might remember Hot Mama Salsa products that I normally get from local milk run. If I'm doing an order with them, sometimes I will, as a little treat, throw in one of their products so that I can try all of their stuff. And I've tried almost everything that they sell through local milk run, and so I decided to take a look at their website, like just to see if there was something I was missing out on, and there was. They had these like seasonal flavors or like limited time flavors that were only available on their website, and I was like, I have to have these. So I have 3 in here that I have never tried before, and I'm really excited, and I was waiting until just the right opportunity. And you know what? Today has been like a real poopy day for no reason. Nothing's going on, nothing's different from yesterday, but sometimes you just feel like poop, and that was my day today. So I decided to make myself something yummy to eat. And now I'm gonna cheer myself up further by hanging out with you, trying some hot sauce. Free sticker. I mean, you know, what's not to love? I'm gonna put this on something. Maybe I'll put it on my Instant Pot, make a little sticker collection. Secondly, I appreciate the use of the recycled materials for packaging. Ooh, they're so pretty. Ooh, so I've got the, I guess that's ají amarillo. That's a yellow pepper. I have another amarillo, like it's like a Peruvian hot sauce that I haven't tried yet. I have a lot of hot sauce. This one here is a medium hot, and it's just got your ají amarillo, chili peppers, white balsamic vinegar, water, and sea salt. This one doesn't say. I'm gonna assume it's a little bit hotter because this is a hot peach habanero. Come on. Like peaches, habanero chilies, organic dark agave syrup, lemon juice, lime juice, tomato juice, white balsamic vinegar, sea salt, brown sugar, dried lavender. Peach, habanero, lavender. You think I'm gonna say no to this? Are you joking? And then this guy, I am nervous. It's called La Femme Fatale. It's a white hot. Sweet potatoes, pineapple juice, Fatali chili pepper, onion, red wine vinegar, and sea salt. I have never heard of the Fatali chili pepper. I'm a little scared, but I'm very excited. And the winner, I'm gonna try all 3 of these, and the one that I feel like eating right now is gonna go on my arroz con pollo. So the victor literally is gonna be winner, winner, chicken dinner. Okay, so first, we're gonna go for the yellow one. Ordinarily, when I get stuff and I open it all up, I don't try many of the things because I don't want like 50 open things in my fridge that I can't finish in time because I don't like having to throw things away. You think hot sauce is not gonna get used? I think I'm safe there. Ooh, that's like, damn it. This is what I love about them. It's not just that they're hot. It's not just that, you know, it's locally made, which is great, you know, but like they're flavorful. They taste so good. Almost sweet, even though this one, yeah, there's nothing in there that would make that sweet, but it's just the flavor of that pepper. It's like a real fruity floral kind of pepper, and it's just, strong contender so far. The heat level, it's a little tingly. I can recognize that a normal person would consider this probably a little hotter than most, so I'd say medium hot feels about right. For me, personally, this is a little mild, but like, it's got a real fun tingle. Really like that. I'm so excited. If this peach habanero lavender doesn't taste good, I'm gonna cry, because I have such high hopes for this. It's a nice kind of purpley color. Oh, it smells so good. Oh my god, it tastes like all those things, but like in a really good way. I want to put this on brie. Oh, I'm gonna get some brie and put this on there, and it's gonna be so good. I could just about drink this. Like, yeah, the dark agave syrup is definitely giving this. Oh, and some brown sugar, so it's giving it some sweetness. How am I doing on sugars in here? Total carbs 2. Okay, 2 grams of that is, oh, so it's all sugar, but serving size is half a teaspoon. Who eats half a teaspoon of hot sauce? Like, that's delicious. I don't think I'm gonna put it on that. I got plans for this guy. That is delicious. It's like, it's got a dark sweetness to it, and you definitely, the little bit of lime juice is in there as well, and it's lavender, but not like old lady underwear drawer lavender. It's just, it's a support flavor, but they don't go too heavy on it, which is, you have to have a delicate hand when you're putting lavender in foods. And a lot of people don't think about lavender in terms of like savory foods, but let me tell you, you can do great things with it. I have some dried lavender that I sometimes make. I sometimes put that on chicken when I'm making a specific baked chicken dish that I do, and it just came out of some, you know, experimentation. Cooking is chaos magic, you know, like, and it turned out to be really good. So this, I want to put it on all the things, but not this, because this has enough of its own flavor that I think they're gonna compete a little bit. And even if it ends up tasting nice, one of them is definitely gonna end up being the loser. Like, one of them is not gonna get to shine the way that it should. This deserves to be the star of a show. Oh, as far as heat on that one, you know, the difficult thing is that I don't know how much now is residual heat from the first one. So it's harder to gauge. So if that second one was mild, I don't know, because I'm still a little tingly from the first one. Do I feel like my mouth is any hotter than it was after the first one? No, it's about the same. No, it's about the same. Very pleasant. There's just a little lingering tingle. This guy here, Fatali Pepper. I don't know how there's a pepper that I've never heard of. It is yellow. It looks a little thin. That smells hot. It smells hot, smells a little sweet. Oh yeah, because it's got the pineapple juice and the sweet potatoes. Oh, weird. What? It's very like pineapple-y. Ooh, she's kicking in. Okay. Yeah, it's like spicy pineapple juice, which I didn't know I needed until like right now, and now I have it, and I'm happy. Okay, what's our sugars in here? 2 grams of carbs, but only one of them is sugars for half a teaspoon. Are you joking? That's not. Let me see. Because it's so liquidy, and I feel like there's some I don't know, more pulpy aspects to it maybe. I'm wondering if there's separation, so I'm just gonna just to make sure that I get all of it. Give myself a nice little blob. Oh my God, I'm in love with this. I am in actual love. We're getting married and you're all invited. Oh my God. It's definitely hotter than the other two. Is it scary hot? Nah, I'm fine, we're good. But like, oh, my mouth is so happy right now. It's got that beautiful pineapple flavor, but it's not too sweet. It's just perfect. I want to put this on chicken, but again, not this chicken. I think the winner, not for quality, not for anything else, but just for compatibility with this dish, I think the winner is gonna be the yellow, the ají amarillo. But oh my God, they're all winners. I'm gonna go on their website again and see if they're still available, because, and I know that this is possibly a marketing trick, and I am the sap who absolutely goes for these sort of things, I know, but like, if they're saying these are limited time only and it's still up there, I might get a couple more of each just so I have it on hand because like, oh, I love them so. Oh, you know what this would be good on? That squash. Remember when I made the delicata squash? Be really good on that because it's got that sweet and spicy. I could see doing this like something with like a little bit of cream cheese and then put that on top, or just like, you don't understand, I could literally drink this, except I can't because the sugars will add up and like, you know, but oh, my mouth is just like this perfect amount of burning. Oh God, I love this. I love this so much. All three winners. This guy, like, I know that I didn't rave about it as much as I raved about this one, but also I am very, very excited about this and all the things I'm gonna do. I love that combination of sweet and spicy. Let's do a bit of a plant. Moment of truth. Let's see how he tastes on this. Got a nice big blab of it. I am very happy. This worked out really, really well. Once again, this is Hot Mama Salsa, and I want to say, do they put it on here? Yes, hotmamasalsapdx.com if you want to check them out. They're not a sponsor. I don't even think they know that I exist. They didn't send this to me for free. I had to pay for it. I'm gonna pay for more of it because I just really like it. So I just like talking about stuff that I like. Thank you for hanging out with me. I'm gonna eat my food. Please remember to like and subscribe, etc., etc. If there's anything else I want to say, it's in the description, but I have food to eat, so bye.
Hey, turn up the caramello and shizzle on the shizney. It's time for me to what? Let me introduce myself. I'm Gino Burrito. My pants are made of leather. I found a